Hello friends, this is Ishan Mishra from Noob Developers, and today we are going to see how to perform division in MIPS assembly language. So if you are new here, I recommend you to watch previous videos first. You can find the link in the description. So yes, let's get started. This is Visual Studio Code, File, New File, Control S. Let's name our file. Save it. Dot data and dot text. Dot data which contains our variable declaration. Dot text which contains our program execution instructions. So this is our main function. So let's store two integer values in two registers. So for that I'm gonna use add I. So add I register T0, register 0 and 10. Add I register T1, register 0 and 5. So this means that T0 is equals to 0 plus 10. Similarly here, so T0 contains 10 and T1 contains 5. So now let's divide them. So div takes three arguments. First for the output and other two in which the division is performed. So T0 and T1. So this means that T2 is equals to T0 divided by T1, and T2 will only contains the quotient and not the remainder. So for here, for example, 10 by 5, the quotient is 2, so T2 will contains 2. And for example, 20 by 3, so the quotient is 16, and it will contains 6, and it will contains only 6 and not the remainder. So let's print our value in register T2. So for that we are going to assign a value of 1 to register V0, and then let's move the value of register T2 to register A0 for printing. Now let's do syscall. Now let's end our program. End main. Okay, so let's now test. Open and run. So here is our output, 10 divided by 2, 10 divided by 5, and the quotient is 2, so the output is 2. So yes. So now let's see a different version of diff which takes in only two arguments, T0 and T1, and the value is going to be stored in these two special registers, high and low. So low will contain the quotient of the output, and high will contain the remainder. So for example, 20 divided by 3, so the quotient is quotient is 6, and which will be stored in low, and the output and the remainder is 2, which will be stored in high. So let's try to run it. So 20 and 3. So 20 divided by 3, quotient is 6 and remainder is 2. So now we need to move our value from high and low to some other register, to some other temporary register. So for that we will use move from low, MFLO, to register T2, and move from high to register T3. So first we are going to print the value of register T2, which will contain the quotient, which is 20 divided by 3, which is 6. T2, which is low, so low will contain the quotient, yes. So let's try to run our program, open and run. Okay, console. So yes, 6, because 20 by 3, the quotient is 6. Now let's try to output the remainder. So remainder is stored in high, and the value of high is stored in register T3. So let's see what is the output. Run. So 2. So 3 by 20 by 3, remainder is 2. So yes, the program is working correct. So if you have any question, you can ask in our Discord server. And thanks for watching and stay connected.